me, boy. Yeah. 17:38. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since you're pretty soon as you came in the door.
EcoVerse is not a static website. It is a system-driven simulation platform where climate, economy, and behavior interact in real time. The EcoVerse system runs on deterministic state models. Each action updates multiple variables, including energy balance, carbon output, biodiversity index, and resource sustainability. These values are persisted and reused across sessions. In the EcoVerse module of our application, you can create your own ecosystem, and then you can assign houses, residential zones, commercial, industrial, and utilities, services, or even parks. And then with all of this, each and every action changes every single aspect. In the AI story generator, the AI will create a personalized animated story based on your sustainability journey, achievements, and emotions. So for the first weekly eco journey, you can use it from level 1 onwards. But for your Future Vision 2050 feature, you need to be at least avatar level 5. On the green token dashboard, you can invest your green tokens into different currencies. While you can do that by clicking Advanced Invest, and then over here you can select whichever cryptocurrency you want to invest into. You can also convert your green tokens you have invested or your existing green token into flights. Then using this, you can book flights on the Carbon Dashboard website. You can calculate your carbon footprint by answering simple questions. In this feature, you can book a flight and then it lets you select your passport country, and then you go through immigration, security, and then a full flight experience. After the flight ends, you will get eco points, and then with these eco points, you can get certifications. This is an example of how your certification may be. The Climate Time Machine uses scenario-based modeling aligned with IPCC projections. The back-end logic interpolates climate variable across time to visualize long-term outcomes. We have used the NASA API for this and Open Weather API. In the present tab, you can see live global data, which updates every 10 seconds. You can also generate an AI-based story. I was inspired by how most climate platforms stop at awareness. They present statistics and dashboards, but they don't let users interact with the systems behind those numbers. EcoVerse directly aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goals 7, 12, 13, and 15. These Sustainable Development Goals help our users experiment with climate systems, observe feedback loops, and understand sustainability through simulation.
Introduced her to my stove, showed her how to whip, and now she remixing for low. She my tribe queen.